In this video, we'll compare chi-square.dist and the GAMMADIST. They are equal provided that the value of beta or the rate is equal to 2. And the value of alpha will be data validation, list of items, and our value for alpha will be 0.522. We can start with 0.5. So the dataset of the chi-square.dist in the probability density function is array formula chi chi-square.dist of the value of x, comma, and this will be 2 times alpha, comma, 0, because this is the probability density function. And the gamma, probability gamma-dist. So array formula, gamma-dist of the x values, comma, alpha, comma, and our beta is 2, comma, 0, because this is probability density function. And we correct this. There is an error, so we factor in if error, comma, 0. Likewise, we're gonna have this error as well. So we just factor in, copy. We might as well copy this as well because we will have errors, the same error. And for the cumulative distribution function, so array formula, chi-square.dist of the x value, comma, 2 times alpha, comma, 1. And the probably cumulative distribution of gamma-dist. So array formula, gamma-dist of the x value, comma, alpha, comma, our beta is 2, comma, 1, because this is the cumulative distribution function. And we'll chart this. Insert chart. And we'll use scatter chart. Customize, we don't need this. We don't need this portion. And for the series, show the trend line polynomial to the 6th degree. Use the equation as header. For the legend, position at the bottom. So here's our trend line and the polynomial. So at alpha equals 1, so you have an error here. So if error, this should be 0. Now it's correct. At alpha equals 1.5, so this area corresponds to this curve and the polynomial. Well, this dataset corresponds to the yellow and the green, while the red and the blue corresponds to this polynomial. At alpha equals 2, there's the same. This is the curve, and these datasets are the same, and this is the curve. This completes the use of array formula to show the differences between chi-square.dist and GAMMADIST.